Go. Yes. Yeah. That's good. It's hilarious, that isn't it? Right, the reason you're here is that the last time we did something like this, I'm looking at it now, it's had 12.6 million views. Both of us are view slags. And I reckon the only way that we're going to get more views is we up the machinery.
I think so.
Hence 296 Speciale Aperta in Rosso Dino, £500,000 worth of Ferrari. You need to be able to slide it like that by the end of the day. Although we haven't got the whole day because it's 12:30.
Transition as well.
Well, we could try a transition later on. We're at Anglesey. It's a bit more complicated, less runoff.
Yeah.
So my idea is put you in it, cameras.
Yeah.
I'm going to film a BTS film because I'm like a new media star. Okay.
You're a YouTuber. I always said this.
I know.
The seminal influencer right here.
Seminal influencer. I want to rephrase that. So I think you go out, have a play with this. This is a slightly more serious piece of kit than you're touring. Two-wheel drive hybrid. You know all about this. I drove this yesterday. It's mega, but it's spiky.
Okay.
So jump in, go and do a couple of laps.
Okay.
Then we'll attempt to do the slide.
When you say spiky, are we talking like F80 DCT spiky, as in like once it's gone, it's gone?
No. Yes, once it's gone, it is gone. But it's nothing like a... you know, oh, by F80 you mean M3. I thought you meant the hypercar. No, that's that. Because it's not got any front axle electric, it's actually much more controllable. It's just got massive torque. Okay. Massive torque.
Okay.
I'll leave it up to you. You're the expert. And also, enjoy it, because it's a spectacular car. Ferrari's getting a load of shit at the moment, but I've really enjoyed this.
It smells nice.
Compared to your DNA box.
That is a woman wagon,
That is
all right?
That is a petri dish for wrongness, for your itinerant life on the continent.
I'm on the road, on the go. You have to live sometimes in the car. Ooh.
Do you have to wear that jacket in the car? I bet you do, don't you?
Well, yeah. Do you want me to wear it?
It's on Tuka Tiger, which is a brand I approve of.
Well, there we go.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, I like the lack of floor mats. You just got a little...
Yeah, it's proper.
Like
it's a proper stripped out job. Okay.
Okay.
So, start is you start. It starts in electric mode. So put foot on the brake and give it a push.
Yeah.
And then you got on your bottom underneath the prancing horse. There's H and a checkered flag.
Right. All right.
See the checkered flag?
Yes. Where is the checkered flag? I said
there.
yes.
Just where's the H? Go to the left of the H. It's a haptic thing.
Haptic.
See the H underneath the Ferrari sign?
Yeah.
Go left. Go to the left of it.
Ah, okay.
Now press the button. It'll start.
This one.
Yeah.
So it does.
So now, if I was you, you want to go manual. So just pull the lever back to M. Now you've got full manual gearbox.
Yeah.
And you're just on the paddles.
Yeah.
And I'd leave it. At the moment, this is dangerous actually. I'll come around this side.
Don't turn it up.
This is quite interesting. It starts you off in CT off. So you've got no traction. I go to race.
Yeah.
So now you've got all the systems and all the fancy diff with you.
Yeah.
So you can just concentrate on the lap and have a look where you're going.
Yeah.
Come on, smile.
I'm a little bit nervous, Chris.
I know you are.
On.
Go on.
All right, let's go and have a look. Okay. Alrighty, let's go and have a little look. Ooh, this is nice. I like the steering wheel. Got like nice positive grip on it. All right, okay. Anglesey. I remember being here a while ago. Well, that's a nice corner. That'll be nice for that. Okay, this is fast. I've forgotten how nice Anglesey is with the sea in the background. It's lovely. Yeah, this is wicked. third if you turn traction all off. So we're in the second. Okay, it's a little spiky. Okay, it feels quite nice and progressive though, like you've just got to be quicker on your hands, a little bit smoother. I think this bottom corner is the best one for having fun on. This is a... Oh, okay, that's what I meant by spiky. I got ya. Okay, alright, you need to be a lot smoother with it. No M3. Ah! Maybe third is better. Third is better. Okay, now I understand it. Third is better. I was trying to do it in second because it's like slow in, control it out, but you need the revs to get it keep it moving. Third. There we go. Okay. Let's see if the old man's happy with that. Okay.
Wait, no, don't say anything.
Okay. Oh, my hands are shaking. Oh my God. I'm not moving.
Right, so from what I could hear, you're down with this, because I heard several slides, and the last one I heard the curbs as well.
Third gear.
We heard one slide.
Oh yeah, I got it wrong once.
Yeah.
It came out and it like came this way. I was in the wrong gear.
It is exciting though, isn't it?
It's really exciting. But I had to go up to third gear so you got better wheel speed.
Yeah, and also you don't. It's so much torque in third.
Yeah.
It comes out like you're in first.
Well, I think that's where I was getting kind of messed up. Was like go down to second, see where like the torque bar is, and then like second was just that little bit too much, too spiky, too much wheel speed, too big.
Stops or not?
Probably when I did a small spin, but then by this corner.
We can just direct. That didn't happen. Right, let me.
Yeah, but it has to happen.
Let me check your rubber.
I tried not. I didn't.
Okay, left rear is good.
I didn't go mad on it. Like
Right
I just did
good. So, what do you think? Do we go try? Do you want to try? Do you think the transition is possible?
Not today. I don't know.
Okay, so what about the boss? Would you rather do the hairpin?
I think the hairpin up there is nicer.
You tried the bottom corner there.
I have given it a go. It's like, do you know what? Jump in.
Okay.
But it's fast.
It's like, but it's a really nice amount of performance,
But
isn't it?
actually,
It's
really
properly exciting.
It was progressive. Like it didn't feel, you know, like in the corners. So I had the traction control off, and I was just driving it and being like, okay, does this?
You've got everything off.
Yeah.
Yobbo.
Well, because I get scared that it's going to cut my power mid-corner, and then that's when it all goes wrong.
That's a great thing to say.
Where's the truth?
It is. You're right. But for me, I'm like, okay, now it's got everything turned off. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this longer corner here.
Yeah. Okay.
Go on.
But it is nice.
It's a cool thing, isn't it?
It is very cool. I mean, it wants to be.
Yeah, it needs to be for this money.
I loved it when I said F80 and you're
but it's,
as in the Ferrari. I'm like, no,
I thought you meant the hypercar. But what I think is spectacular is how much more exciting it is than a normal 296, because it is sharp. Also, the turn in is amazing.
Yeah, it is nice. And the track.
Well, just do a couple of laps, and then we'll come. Don't do this now.
No, I'm not going to.
But this is the corner I want you to work up to.
You want this one?
I think
Simply
you can do
because
this.
where would you enter? Just like.
I would probably start. You can see my lines.
Yeah.
It's about there.
And then here, and then
it
just
comes.
hold it.
I know you want to be further in,
Yeah.
and then it widens out here.
Yeah, it is a lovely shot. But
that's the money shot. We get that as a drone, and we get an exterior shot, and then we put that on Instagram. That is
You need
20 million views.
What people need to see is my face. I know that sounds awful, but it's like they need to see it's a bird driving. Because if it's
We can see your face there.
Oh, okay, right, yeah.
We put a special filter on it and everything. The anti-thumb filter.
Vaseline on the lens.
Thumb filter. That's what does me, is just how much performance it's got. Fucking thing. Tell you what, it feels mental for this seat.
Does it?
Yes.
That is quite
That
a lot.
torque.
Yeah. Yeah, that's mad.
Nothing to hold on to here. Go on. Yes. Yeah. It's good. It's Larry, though, isn't it?
I don't feel.
So once you've gone for the initial prod,
Yeah.
don't come off quite as far.
Okay.
Try and stay in it a little bit.
Yeah, because I'm just.
Because that gap of torque, it's got so much grip at the rear, it comes back into line
Once
really
it's
quickly.
straightened.
So stay in third. Stay
Yeah.
in third here. Stay in third. Start right on the inside a bit more.
Right on the inside.
Go on the inside now.
Yeah.
Give it a prod now. See what happens. Go.
Oh, that's like. Not enough. A little bit too tentative.
So we're
with
going
it.
to do a short loop to come back to that one. That's
Yeah.
the one you're going to get.
It's just a bit of confidence in her.
But
That's all it is.
But it's getting that right application
Yeah.
to make it go,
Yeah.
but not get the understeer. Stay in
Yeah.
third.
Yeah.
Have another go at this one.
I think it's a little slower in,
Yeah.
and then yeah. So I would.
Go now. So close.
Yeah. Ah!
So close.
But yeah, it just needs a little bit
Because
less.
also you've got a funny camber here. Don't
Okay.
forget, as the camber actually wants to spin the car more
Yeah,
as you're coming out.
I felt that as I was
So
coming up.
as the camber became unhelpful
Yeah.
and you backed off, it took the car round.
Yeah. Okay, right, okay, slightly. Okay, slightly slower in, pitch it in, then just like go, Becky. Oh shit, the bed. Nearly! Nearly!
So what's happening is
Yeah,
you're getting too much torque, then
Yeah.
you're backing away,
Ah!
then the car straightens up, then you come back with more torque. Go down there. I just want to when we get onto the straight, I just want to jump out and have a look at that left rear.
Okay, yeah, shit. You're surfing. It's mighty fast.
It's fucking fast.
It's so fast.
So
Nice.
it's constant throttle
Yeah.
and just a little, let it go,
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
just
yeah.
try and balance it.
Yeah. That's way nicer.
And if you back off like that, you get a sharper return. But it's if you jab it and come
Yeah.
off,
Yeah.
the torque reaction with a mid-engine car
Yeah.
is harsh.
Yeah, that was
Like,
really nice and
Really
smooth.
harsh.
That was lovely. It's confidence.
It is, but it's also it's a sort of delicate brutality, is what I describe it. You've got to be
Yeah.
quite brutal, but you've got to be accurate with the brutality.
Yeah.
So this is your corner. I think my entry's a little bit higher.
Yeah.
You can see my lines there.
Yeah.
I send it there.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
use the curb on the exit.
Yeah.
But that camber should be, it looks like it should help you, but it doesn't. The
It
car
pushes
wants
the
to
car
push it.
straight. It's so fast, like.
I mean, it feels like it's got 300 horsepower more from that seat, doesn't it? Because
Yeah.
you've got no wheel to hold on to.
Yeah. It's a crazy thing.
Right, over to you.
Yeah. You just have to find a pair of balls.
Yeah. It's ironic, really.
Huh?
It's ironic, really.
Yeah. Right, this is it.
Go. That's it. That is it. Nailed. How good was that? How good was that?
Okay.
How good was that?
That's
And how
good.
good did it feel? And
It's
how good
so
was the
balanced.
and the way that it came back?
I was trying to be so smooth as well because it was just like, it was just.
Sometimes you just got to see it another way, innit? Down there. That was awesome. Let's go and stop and speak to the crew.
Okay.
Because we need their adoration straight away. Fucking hell, I'll tell you what, I can do the beer after that. That was really impressive. Because that's not easy. That's not easy. So what do we do next? I think I've got another Ferrari, got 849. I think a bit of free swim time.
Yeah.
You know, with swimming club, when you've done well, they said, right, free swim. And everyone just started bombing each other and lobbing those sort of things that sing, the low sex toys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we're having free swim now,
Okay.
without the sex toys. That was a good one.
Third gear is what you need. I'm not being as...
Fuck, this thing's fast. Let's try third at this hairpin then.
Lovely.